Hey guys, and welcome back to another video on the Road Builder YouTube channel. My voice is kind of dead. I just wrapped up a 6.5 hour live stream. It was super dope. A lot of you guys showed up. It was actually insane, okay? Very fun time. Anyways, today we are going to be making our next UGC item for Roblox, and it will be going up in December. So we will be doing a Christmas themed item. And I have a couple ideas written down, and I think I'm going to go with the snow globe head, okay? So, basically, I'm going to build a snow globe that'll be a hat, and your head will be inside the snow globe, and then I'll invert the globe faces, like the glass part. I'll have those inverted, and, yeah, I think we should be pretty good. Hopefully, as long as the vert limit and, you know, tries, verts, whatever, as long as that allows it, I would also like to have, like, snow hills around your face. Now, that's a little risky because it's white around your face, and Roblox does not like that, but I'm hoping to portray exactly what I'm trying to portray and nothing sus. But let's get into it. Alright, so to start things off, we are going to grab a mesh. I'm going to use a cylinder because, hey, that makes the most sense. And I'm going to turn this down to, like, we'll say 16 because I want it to be a lot less vertices and everything like that. The main reason I could never see myself getting into the UGC program is simply because of the limit, like the vert limit. I'm so bad when I'm, like, very constricted. I mean, I'm not the greatest either way, but when I'm constricted, it is definitely a lot worse. So, yeah, we're gonna just try our best here. I'm gonna add in 2 loop cuts. Should be good. I'm going to grab this line. Come on. How does it, sometimes it'll grab there. Oh, gosh. How do you do that? Do you have to click on one of these? Ah, that makes sense. I'm going to extrude these. Alt-E, extrude along face normals. Do something like this. And I'm going to do the same with the top here. So, Alt-E, extrude along face normals. And I want to bevel this, which is already going to make the tries and faces, all that stuff way more. Which, oh wait, I don't need to bevel those. I need to grab my line select here. This line, this one, and this one. And then we're going to bevel, just like this with Control B. That's going to give us a bit of a shape to this. And then we will, of course, shade smooth and auto smooth. What? Oh, I wasn't clicking on the right thing. Auto smooth. There we go. And that already looks a lot better. So, what are we at so far? Let me hide this. All right, 192 verts and 380 tries. Not bad. All we really have to do to finish this off is add a big globe to the top, which I could use an icosphere. Honestly, I don't. Let's do one more set of subdivisions to make it look a little bit better, and let's move it straight up in just how we're going here. So wireframe, this definitely can get scaled down a little bit. Move this down. Something I think I'd probably switch to this sphere. Solid. Let's go to mesh and UV sphere. This way, I'll be able to cut the bottom off a lot easier. It'll be a lot cleaner. Trust and believe, guys. So it'll be so much better. All right, go something like this. All right, looking good. And then I want to do wireframe, edit mode, and go to face select. Now we could cut off, I'd say, all of maybe one more set. Let's go up to here, cut these off. We'll cut off the faces just like this. Go back into solid and grab this, drag it down. And now we have a snow globe shape, okay? Of course, we're going to shade smooth and auto smooth, and that's going to make that look so much better. And guys, just like that, we already have the shape that we need. Let's hide this. We are at 530 faces and 1,000 tries. We're allowed to go up. Oh, we need to look at verts. So 544 verts and 1,000 tries. We can go up to 4,000 tries and 1,200 verts. So we're doing pretty good. We have our snow globe. Let's grab this. A, Shift N. I may just need to do N and flip. Let me go, wait, Shift N? Alt N. My bad. Flip. And just to make sure, let's go to face orientation. There we go. As you guys saw, it was red. And that's basically going to tell Roblox, hey, don't render the outside of this, render the inside. And it'll give a pretty cool effect for us. All right, up next. Let's, we'll just move this kind of up for now. And I want to try to make some snow or something. So shift, and then I want to see... this might not be the best idea because it's gonna go quite a bit higher. Oh, no, not that. Yikes. Turn this off. Get out of here, bro. P selection. All right. And I'll put it back later. But for now, subdivision surface. And, how many? All right. So I applied it and it looks like this. I'm not sure exactly. Let me grab all of the, yeah. So we're still under, wait. we're still under our limit. I don't know how this is gonna work. I want to make it cool hills, but I don't think it's going to be kind because you can't really, yeah. I'm gonna have to figure this part out. Oh, this kind of looks like a snowflake though. Oh man, I got ideas. I got too many ideas and not enough vertices to do them. All right, tries, whatever you want to call it. Let's move this up a hair. I'm gonna try to figure out how to do the like snow hills kind of around your head, and after I figure that out, I'll definitely be back with you guys. All right guys, beautiful ideas with Row Builder part 1. Spawn in a plane and then go to subdivision surface. That's gonna make it a circle. Let's bring this up quite a bit and then apply. Okay, apply, and let me see, let me bring this up. Okay, this has potential. All right, it has some potential. Here we go. Let's shrink this down so it is inside this. All right, something like that. And then let's grab this, move it up, grab this, hop into edit mode. There we go, guys. All right, now Z, wireframe, and then solid, and hopefully this works. Let's make this a lot smaller. Bring this up. Okay, so it'll kind of work. It's gonna be a bit weird, but it'll work. I think the idea will get across at the very it's gonna look really choppy though. I'm gonna keep working on it, guys. I'll definitely figure it out. But look at this, it's doing all right. Kind of it's getting better. Oh gosh, do that one. How about that? That up. Okay, and then something like this. Wow. Snow out the top of his head as well. Yikes, I should actually take this and move it back. I probably shouldn't have done this in his head, because if I did it outside, it would probably be a lot better, and then just lined it back up. So let me grab this, turn off proportional editing, move it up, and then I'm gonna move this up, and I'm gonna try my best here. Alright guys, so I've made a little bit of progress here, and I just used a plane and subdivided it quite a bit, and these, it's kind of snowy in the front and ice glacier type things in the back. I think it looks pretty sick, and definitely the texturing is where this one is going to shine. So I might pay someone to texture it. I do need to decimate this because, bro, it's a little over. I don't need to decimate it a lot, but a little bit, and hopefully it doesn't take too much away. Let's try 0.7. That wasn't too bad. Let's go ahead and, let me see, collapse, unsubdivide. I think unsubdivide makes the best look for this specific application here. Now, we have, we need 1,200 or less verts. We have 1,600, so that is a little tough. And we need under 4,000 tries, which we do have. But we need to focus on this because all of down here. In fact, could I do mesh, clean up, delete loose? Okay, that's not going to do much. Mesh, clean up, limited dissolve, I think is what I want. Yes, that should help us quite a bit, okay? And then just hide that under the top of this. In fact, I could delete all of that, honestly. We might end up doing that. Let me go ahead. Everything, we are now, for 1,200 verts, we have 1,201 vertices, okay? We need 1,200, not 1,201, so let me grab this. All right, oh gosh, my proportional editing is on. Let me grab this, and honestly, what is this here? If I go to face select, like, I could just delete this, delete face, grab all of this, nice, drag it back down, so it goes right under. See, the face doesn't matter either way, guys. Now, we do want to bring this a little lower, so nothing is sticking up. Roblox definitely will get on my case about that. Now, if we press A, select everything, we are at 1,200 verts, which is exactly what the max mesh vert count is, and we are at 2,000 tries, and we can go up to 4,000. I don't know how to do that without adding more verts, but let's unhide the dummy and show you guys how all this is fitting up. So, well, I guess this will just be a globe over their head. You won't really be able to see that. Let me grab this and this. Should I bring it up some? Let me see. How does that look? Because it's going to cut into your neck a little bit, or like your torso. It has to. I feel like to have this whole effect, and just to have the base on it, because if I put it way up here, I mean, I don't know what would sell better, to be fair, because this covers your mouth, which some people might like. I'm gonna put it way up here. I'm gonna put it way up here, and then add the globe on top. There it goes, guys. I'm gonna get this textured, and if my friend gets on, he's very good at Substance Painter, I may ask him to texture it, but for now, I'll get at least a base texture so you guys can see the main idea of it. Let's go to UV editing. Open up our color grid, there we go, And for this top part, we're going to do U, project from view, and now we have the exact same thing that we're looking at on our other screen. Now this is going to be bluish white. I'm thinking this over here is like the most resemblant of glass. I could make it one color, but I think gradients will help, especially since the top should be lighter, since the sun's shining and stuff like that. So we also need to join all of this together, which is another little thing that I forgot to Control J. Of course, it's not going to let me. Join and wireframe, solid. So we got that and this. Control J. There we go. Should be good to go. Now we're going to go to image texture, grab our color grid right here, and go to our material preview. So this is the color of the top, as you can see. Now, let's go into edit mode on this. Press L to just select the bottom here. And wow, what did I do? I don't know what mode I'm in right now. It looks awesome. Like I'm in like a half X-ray view or something. Wow. Guys, I genuinely don't know how I did that, and I don't know how to undo it. So let's do project from view. Same thing on this, and it's going to be black. Maybe even like a dark gray. No, people really appreciate black Roblox items, okay? So this is going to be very dark. I'm saying like this, guys. For sure, 100% certain. Now, I need to go into wireframe, grab this, tab into edit, and press L. Okay, U, project from view, and now we have this, which I'm going to scale down, and the lowest points will be blue, or like a white. The highest points will be blue. So I'm going to do R180. This is going to flip it over. It doesn't affect this side though. This is how the texture is affected. And then I'm going to scale this on the Z axis over here, or X, Y. The Y-axis, my bad. And this is going to exaggerate that texture by a long shot. So let's go back into our texture view mode, press L to select this, and just kind of move it up for a second so you guys can see what we're working with here. So as you can see, it is white on the bottom and then blue on the top. I think that looks so cool, and I think that's how I'm keeping it for the time being. So this is the item. Let me go ahead and pull it into Studio so you guys can see it in there, and I'm pretty excited for this one. Alright guys, we're bringing it in right now. Hopefully everything is all good to go. Asset Manager, insert with location. Alright, it is massive, so we will have to, you know, fix that up, because shrinking it within Roblox doesn't exactly do anything. But as you can see, we can see the inside of this, and I might need to make the top white. Just texture-wise, the top of this white. Let me go ahead and put it on a dummy though, guys. This is the moment we've all been waiting for. Scale this down. All right, so this is how it would look if I decide to keep it. Oh, I need to move it forward just a hair. It's probably a bit too much. Let me turn my movement off for just a second. So about right here. This is how it would look if I keep it up on the shoulders. So it's kind of blocking your face a little bit. I think that's pretty cute. I'm not gonna lie. And then if we put it down a little bit to not block the face, it would look something like this. I personally think we're keeping it up on the face because it looks kind of cute. But guys, here's my next UGC concept. I will be uploading this for the month of December as long as Roblox allows it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you want to see more content like this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day. Later.